What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, yes, wine videos, and we are looking at some quick winery information and how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous estates and chateaux in the Pomerol appellation in the Bordeaux wine region of France. We are on the right bank, obviously, with Merlot dominant red blend wines. Château Nenin belongs to Jean-Hubert Delon, who also owns famous chateaux in other parts of Bordeaux, such as Château Potensac in Médoc and Château Léoville-Lascaz in Saint-Julien. Château Nenin has about 80%, a little bit less of Merlot, with the remainder being made mainly from Cabernet Franc with just a touch of Cabernet Sauvignon. I've said it a few times, how do you go about saying Château Nenin? Well, do not say Château Nenin, but rather Château Nenin. Château Nenin. Château Nenin. Here are more videos if you want to become an expert at Bordeaux wine and learning more about wine, which is what we do on this channel. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Au revoir. Bye bye.